Hi, my name is Billy and I'm here today to discuss the increasing use of flexibility and single-use equipment in the biotechnology market. Over the last number of years, Rockwell Automation has seen a steady increase in the manufacturing of personalized medicines by our customers. This increasing trend has led to a number of challenges in the manufacturing space. The first challenge I'd like to discuss today is around the increasing use of mobile single-use equipment in the manufacturing space. To address this challenge, Rockwell, through its backbone of Ethernet IP, allows our customers to easily connect and disconnect equipment and reconfigure their process train. The second challenge that I'd like to discuss is around the increasing complexity of connections on single-use equipment, such as a bioreactor. A typical bioreactor can have up to 900 individual connections at any one time. This is very difficult for an operator to do without making errors. To address this challenge, Rockwell, through its partnership with PTC, has brought out a number of technology innovations to help support the operator make the correct connections. This reduces the risk of failed batches and also increases speed to market. The third challenge I'd like to discuss is around tracking of products and traceability throughout the facility. Given that these typical manufacturing plants have multiple products being produced at any one time, it's important for our manufacturers to track these products as they move through the facility. To do this, Rockwell can support them with a best-in-class MES solution. For more information, please visit rockwellautomation.com.